Welcome to Quicklaunch tutorials. In this video I'm going to show you how to install Quicklaunch Ultimate Edition. Prior to installing Quicklaunch, Skype for Business needs to be installed and sign in with your Room account. If you decide to use Quicklaunch in kiosk mode, make sure to install Quicklaunch as a user. Quicklaunch can be downloaded from qlinstall.ucworkspace.com. Click on Download and Install. Once the download is completed, run the executable, accept terms in the license agreement, and install. I'm installing it as a user, so I'm prompted for admin password. Click on Finish. Quicklaunch is now installed and it will prompt you with the setup wizard. Choose your language. Download deployment guide and check additional resources. Accept agreement. Provide a company contact name, license and support emails, country and phone number. Put your licensee. Choose whether you want to sign in with Exchange and or Skype for Business or Google Calendar. Provide your Skype for Business email and password. Check your AWS URL. Choose the authentication type, AWS version. Provide your Exchange login email, password, and verify connectivity. In System Settings, choose whether you want to start Quicklaunch automatically and configure automatic reboot. Room reset settings. Those settings can be configured after you finish setup wizard. Choose the display layout from flat or tabbed and click on Finish. Quicklaunch is now configured. You can start working on your custom theme, add action tiles and change settings. More information and specific FAQs can be found on our customer support portal. From Quicklaunch settings, click on the support button in the bottom left corner and you will be redirected to our customer support site where you can look for specific FAQs.